Today is August 17th, 2026, and we still have a lot of tropical activity up in the northern hemisphere. Let's get into it. First story to cover, Hurricane Lala, or previous Hurricane Lala, is reorganizing and strengthening to the west of Hawaii. This one will be away from land for the rest of its life. We are still seeing the impacts that Lala left over here, especially in the southern island of Hawaii. It's not looking good over there. And we also have a potential new super typhoon in the western Pacific and a tropical wave to watch in the Atlantic. Looking at where this storm is headed, it's expected to head straight west, and then it'll turn to the north, probably back off to the north and east, and then there is a chance it might move back to the west and then back to the east. Over in the western Pacific, all models are hinting at a storm forming to the southeast of the northern Mariana Islands, and this would probably go through the uninhabited Mariana Islands, probably just north of the populated islands. Those islands have had too much this year. That is the good trend I want to say today. It could still change, and then after this, there is some uncertainty over here what would happen. This particular model shows some slow movement, another area developing out to the east, and that takes it over Japan and then over toward China, northern China. Our European model does about the same thing at first, takes it just to the north of the Marianas, accelerates it west, and then still takes it north a little bit further to the east. Or to the west of where that one did. Also, tracking our tropical wave out here in the Atlantic, our GFS model is picking up on it, maybe not forming immediately, but if it survives the worst conditions, could reform, and then there will be a front probably to take it out to sea. I don't think there's going to be any U.S. impact with this, except maybe some rough surf, if it does end up forming. Here's the uncertainty from the Google Weather Lab on Lala. Again, it's supposed to turn to the north as we head into Wednesday into Thursday, and then it is likely to turn northeast and then back off to the west and die out. If we draw a little guy on this typhoon potential, you can see the average takes it right up around Japan. Some of them take it straight west into Taiwan, while some of them take it north over Japan, South Korea. We haven't really had a lot of storms just take the northern turn out. We had, one big storm do that. I mean, we did have, recently we haven't. The average right now takes it up to a Category 4, and a lot of them still make it a Category 5. Other areas to watch here in the Western Pacific, there's a lessening signal to the east of Taiwan. That one's looking more like it'll impact northern Taiwan or China, maybe just south of Shanghai or around the Shanghai area. And then we're also still watching a little bit of a signal in the northern South China Sea. Moving into the longer range for our Western Pacific, even beyond this typhoon, we could have one further out toward where Dolphin formed, and this one could become strong as well, and there could be another area as well. And we are watching another signal with some of the ensemble members taking it close to Hawaii. That would be a really bad scenario. But I guess the good news would be that at the moment it's not looking like that. But we have another signal behind that one and a couple other signals that could take another storm in the direction of Hawaii. Our couple areas further to the east to watch would be our most likely storm to form will be out here well to the west of Mexico. This one's not likely to impact anybody. We still have a signal to the west of that and another signal behind that, maybe another two signals. So yeah, the Eastern Pacific is going to light up like nobody's business. And we do have little chances for some tropical waves or some remnants of stuff to try to form out up here, but it's very unlikely. The tropical wave that we were tracking is this one right here. Actually, I think the GFS was tracking this one. But there is a big signal for this tropical wave here, and there is no chance of this one to impact land at the moment. So yes, we don't have any imminent impacts, but I think soon we will have some more imminent landfalls coming across the northern hemisphere. That's all I have for you today. I will see you again tomorrow.